What up guys, Marshmello here. Welcome back to my channel. Hey, look how curly my hair is. It's crazy, when I grew out my hair, it just started to do this. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. Let's have a kiki. So I let me turn off some of my fans. Hope you guys can hear me better. I'm being a good YouTuber and using a mic and everything, like a grown up. But yeah, so I wanted to kind of go and tell you guys a little bit of a story time about what happened a couple weeks ago. So my Instagram got deleted by Instagram. So the other night I was at work and I was like doing my thing, and then it's like we're doing Vlogmas, so I was like doing that and I was uploading and like trying to do all my social media like a good YouTuber. I'm gonna just be doing this a lot. But oh, my hair smells so good. Anyway, yeah, so I was back in the break room and I'm like trying to upload stuff and I'm like, okay, time to do my Instagram. So I'm logging in and it's like user not found, blah blah blah. And I was like, okay, because this has happened to me a few times when Instagram updates, all my user information disappears and I have to go type it in. So I was like, okay, it's not taking it, that's weird. So then I looked up like for my passwords in my iPhone, and it's like, this is the username, this is the password. So I'm like, okay, maybe I'll use my email. So I put in my email and it's like, your email does not exist, your username does not exist. I'm like, weird. So then I go look at my little tags for like my Instagram and stuff on YouTube, and it's like, that's my name. So then I'm like, okay. So then I get an email from Instagram and they're like, hey, we've deleted your account because someone tagged you as an imposter, you're impersonating yourself. And I was like, who said that? Like, who the fluff said that? So I was just like, are you kidding me? So I like start doing my angry middle-aged white woman thing, and I'm just like, how dare you, waka waka waka. Nobody cares, it's Instagram. I am minuscule. I barely had 2,000 followers, which I was really proud about, but we're not gonna talk about that. Because I was just like losing my mind. So then they had me send a picture of me and a paper with a thing that they told me to write out, and then I also had to send them a copy of my driver's license. And I was like, okay. So I'm like doing that. I did that 3 times a day every day for like a week because I was freaking out about it. No one's gotten back to me, nobody cares. I'm just some minuscule little goblin. So I'm like, what do I do? All my content is gone. Like everything I posted on Instagram is gone. And some things, like for a couple years I've only been using Instagram. Like I don't even share it to Facebook anymore. Facebook's a dying platform. I feel like Instagram's on its way out, or I don't know, who knows what's happening with these platforms. But I was just like, what am I supposed to be doing? Oh no. And then I remembered, silver lining, about a week, maybe 3 or 4 days, I had bought this thing. I don't have it with me because it's downstairs, but it's this USB drive that you can plug into your cell phone and like copy data and stuff. So I got one. I meant to just put movies on it and stuff, but there was an option on there to like back up your phone. So I did that, and I backed up all my contacts and stuff just in case we get cell phones, like, because it's always a big mess. So I'm like, okay, cute. So then I noticed there was one option for social media backup, and I was like, okay. So then I went in there and it was an option for Instagram. So I clicked that and I was like, who would do this? Who would actually need this? So I did it. I backed up my social media, backed up my Instagram, so all my photos aren't gone. The collage you guys saw at the beginning of this was about 1,500 pictures and about 300 videos. So all of those are gone from the internet, but they're saved on my flash drive. Thank God, SanDisk. Thank God for you guys creating X Drive. I love you guys so much. But it was just like, oh my God, are you flipping kidding me? Like, no one's gotten back to me from Instagram. I doubt they even care. I can't imagine this happening to me, like, let alone anyone else. Like, I've seen people like redo their Instagram and like rebrand themselves, and I'm always like, all of your data, all of your information you've given yourself, like, it's always made me feel a little sad for them. But this right here got me, and I'm just like, oh my God. So yeah, and I've had Instagram since it came out. Like, I'm a hipster, like I'm early adapter to everything. So it was just like, it really made me mad, but it kind of pushed me into TikTok, which I'm doing okay in. I like TikTok, it's fun. AKA Musically. Anyway, so I don't know. Has this ever happened to any of you guys before? If it has, can you give me some tips on how to fix it? Can you help me out? If it has, leave it in the comments below. I'm going to end this one now, but thanks for watching, guys. Hope this entertained you. Hope this made you feel bad for me. Hope it made you laugh at me a little bit, because who isn't a jerk? Anyway, long story short, Instagram's gone. I made a new one. I'll link it in the description, and I'll put a little thingy bobber up here somewhere. But thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your week. Annyeong. Hi guys. So I have an update on my Instagram. They let me back on! They said we accidentally deleted your account by mistake. You should have access to everything now. Yeah.
You're posting your other accounts that you have your original account.
So I don't know. I'm gonna steal all my stuff from my old Instagram and put it on my new Instagram and put it on my old Instagram. I'm just so happy. I feel like I was giving back my arm, but it was like I'm missing a bunch of followers. I wonder if they went in and cleaned me out.
So much for fake followers! So much for true love!
I'm gonna go pay for followers like everyone else. Yeah, right. Anyway, thanks for watching my video. Bye.